Hello, everybody. Welcome. Today, we are going to talk about related incidents and the detection of related incidents by Demisto using all the artifacts and indicators for each incident. So, let's take a look at this current incident, which we have some WannaCry incidents, WannaCry indicators, and are trying to hunt for these indicators and see if there is any occurrence in the environment. And if you look at this incident, this is the summary view where all the indicators are visible, all the timeline, initial, how did the incident create, who is this assigned to, and other pieces. We are not going to cover the other aspects of Demisto, which is the playbook automation, the work plan about for each incident where the hunt could happen. What we're going to focus today is related incidents. So, a typical exercise when you are trying to respond to an incident is looking at what incidents are related to this incident. Now, the related incident aspect could be a function of same indicators, same IP, same hash. It could be same custom fields, type, many attributes. And it is not just that you find the common attribute and you show it, it's also important to see is like how many common attributes are there, because in a large set of environments you might have many incidents which have one or two or many common. So in this view, what you're seeing is indicators that are close to this particular incident, WannaCry indicators, that is the incident that is here. And the way this view works is from the time of the incident occurrence. So this incident occurred on May 24th, 2017. And this indicator, this incident had some other incidents related to it in the past. So as you go counterclockwise, this is going back a month, April 24th, and this is going forward a month, June 23rd. So you see certain incidents that are related. And the closer the incident is to the center, the more similar the incident is. So let's look at this incident. This is 4695. The current incident is 4694. Pretty much very similar incident, right? They happen at the same time, maybe on a different system. Also, some of the other aspects, you can change the filter on the timeline. So rather than going 30 days back and forth, you can actually go back and say we only want to look at 15 days back and forth. So that's how you can change the filter in case you don't want to go back 30 days, you want to go through a smaller time horizon, or if you want to go through a bigger time horizon. The other important piece is the similarity scale. Maybe you only want incidents that are really close and you want to kind of filter and narrow down, says, hey, I want very similar incidents. In this quick view, we are able to narrow the similarity and only see some things that are very close. The other aspects is we actually look at the incident type, and the similarity does not really take the type into account, because in some cases the incident similarity may be more important than the type. For example, maybe the incident started as a phishing incident and eventually lateral movement happened, and then you had an outbound data transfer. And the outbound data transfer detected and phishing should still be related if there is a common link between those. Your security systems might have detected them as completely different types. So that's why we show the type separately here. So I'm going to go back to kind of not so similar incident. Also, it's important to kind of look at the visibility, which is this is open incidents or closed incidents or all of them and so on and so forth. So this is some of the knobs to kind of figure out how these incidents, which incidents are related and filter down only to certain types. So you can say, hey, I only want to look at incidents that are ransomware and unclassified and IOC hunt, or if I want to see phishing as well. All of these work as filters. The way we detect the similarity is using a bunch of machine learning algorithms, which eventually use similar algorithms like page similarity for search and other mechanisms to find closeness to each other. Let's actually drill down and see what kind of stuff can we do if we look at a certain incident. So this is an incident which happened a little bit in the past and looks similar. This is another incident which happened after this particular incident, but looks similar. So let's drill down deeper. Here's an incident 4729, 4694. It shows only one common uh, email as the indicator that is common. So here it's obvious that you want to know more about this particular common link. So you can click on it. So any of the indicators that are shown here, you can easily click and you can learn more. And few things is if it has a reputation already in the indicator management system that we have here, you'll know that reputation. You'll see where else is this indicator existing. Remember, again, we are in that mode where we are trying to learn more about the incident, so we can quickly go pivot where else is this indicator found. Maybe that particular incident is not visible here because it's not close enough, but I might want to know all the incidents that are common, and you can easily quickly browse through here. So that's one example. Let's look at something, some other incident. Here's an incident which, again, a little bit closer in time, happened after the current incident, has more incidents that are close here. The similarity is higher. Here you can actually see this SHA 256 is common, and it is actually bad. You can actually run certain commands as well. So you can run a Splunk search or a wildfire report and further details. And these are the shortcuts that could be customized as well. And here are the 5 incidents that are similar. So the other thing you can do is you can actually click on one of these incident and jump to that particular incident and see the related incidents to that incident. So make that the incident the center very quickly. So here is quickly what we see. If I jump to that particular incident, we have certain incidents that are similar to this particular incident, which is 4590. And you can actually quickly see that these incidents happen pretty close in time. You can look at the similarity, a lot of similar indicators. So these are really, really close. Also, this one has some common indicators. The other action is you're able to link these. Now, the linking is a concept which basically is analyst driven. So what you're now trying to do is analyst is going ahead and marking these two incidents to be linked so that we start to track them as linked. Very helpful in things like campaigns. So phishing campaigns, we will show you them close. You can actually handpick those incidents, then link them together. So when you link, it visually shows you that here is the link, and these incidents are linked now. You can unlink them, and similar interface available for looking at the reputation across each of these incidents. So there's a quick overview of how the related incidents work. Again, to recap, a very, very powerful way to be able to find all the related incidents to a single incident and then navigate your way through across and solve the incident faster because you're able to quickly see what is related, how are they related, what are the common indicators, where else those common indicators are found. Thank you very much.